remember on Monday's video, came out here to Hollow Ridge, where I'm at again, and did a video about herping during the summertime. But that day I was herping during the morning. And if you haven't checked out that video, click this note up here, check that out. And I told you guys to be coming back to do the flip side of herping in the summertime, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I got Bo with me this time. What are you doing?
Ran into a spider web.
Okay. We're out here at night and got the flashlights. So, what do you think we're gonna find?
Chiggers?
So guys, basically what we're doing, as you can see, is we're taking these flashlights and we're shining them along these edges into these bushes and seeing if we can spot any kind of reflection of the eyes or anything else like that. Obviously it shouldn't have to be said, but for some people out there, just fun fact, if you're gonna go herping at night, you're gonna need a flashlight. So far nothing yet, but we're gonna get something, I can feel it. Alright guys, we have resorted to the trail. Give those frogs some time to get up there by the water. Got Bo over there. Sorry for the quality if it's getting blurry and going in and out. It's this camera in low light, but I'm hoping that we find some good stuff. I'm really hoping, if you guys hear all those cicadas, I would really like to see some copperheads out and about trying to get some of these cicadas. So, we shall see. Stay tuned for sketchy herping in the dark in the woods. It's a long title. You guys are like, man, it's pitch black and I can only see what you're shining the flashlight on. Yeah, welcome to our world. You guys have never gone out herping at night in the woods with nothing but a flashlight. A, make sure you have someone with you, and B, definitely do it, because it's literally like a whole new world out here. It's just
Scary.
so, yeah, it is a bit creepy.
That's what I meant. I'm not scared.
You're not scared?
Nope, just creeped out.
Just creeped out? That's good. Okay, we got a herp right there. You guys see him? That right there looks to be like it's a toad of some sort. That's a crazy looking toad. What kind of toad is that? That is ridiculous. I actually want to get a hold of him real quick. Hang on. That is looking like a... No way! No way! Oh my god. No way. His eyes don't look it, but... Could this be a spadefoot? Could this be a spadefoot toad? Look at his eyes. Spadefoot toads have the craziest eyes. If this is a spadefoot toad, guys, let me know in the comments, because this is unlike... This is not an American, this is not a Fowler's. Look, you see those eyes?
I just pulled a Lucas.
What?
I was looking at the toad out of the camera.
Look at that. Look at that face. Is that a spadefoot? Let me know in the comments. I 100% am believing that this is a spadefoot. And if it is, it's my lifer. Holy crap, this thing feels so crazy. It's not like a normal toad.
I did it again.
Damn it, bro. That is ridiculous.
He's just chilling there too. He's like, well,
He is.
I'll just let it happen.
But look at that, because that's not... That is 100% a spadefoot. I am fully convinced of it. Change my mind in the comments, guys, if he's not. But, oh my goodness. That is amazing. Just chilling up there in that little cut. Right there. Yeah, that is a spadefoot toad. The more his eyes are kind of calming down now, you can tell they have these crazy bug eyes, and just the way it looks so alien and crazy like. I knew we had these guys, but I never thought in a million years I'd find one. Wow. Their eyes trip me out. I could stare at them for hours. That is insane. Just goes to show you guys that going herping out at night, like, First time actually really herping in the woods at night, and I get my lifer spade foot. All right, buddy, let's take you back up here. Put you right back where you were. Wow. That's incredible. Now I'm pumped to see what else we're gonna find. Oh. All right, buddy, we'll leave you alone. Okay, guys, just to show you right here, cause I set him down, he went straight down into this hole. So I'm guessing that is this little nest, little area where he hides out. That's so crazy. Sorry for the shaking of his head. He went down into that hole right there because I put him, but you saw where he was, and then he moved over here and then he just backed straight into that hole.
It makes me wonder.
That's amazing.
If there's something in this hole.
There probably is. Now we know to shine holes. So
that's awesome.
I didn't even think about that because we never do that during the day. All right, guys, we're heading back. That's going to do it for today. I know it's just the one herp, but still a lifer, new species for the channel. Eastern, I think it's an eastern spadefoot toad. Yeah, that thing that made the whole video, just completely made it. So anyway, guys, if you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe, and I reckon I will see you in the next one.